Here's how to find password generator in 1Password. Let's get to it. So on 1Password, you need to log into your account. After that, under home, you're going to find all of your vaults. Go inside one of your vaults here. Then on the top right, you can press on the new item and then go over inside any of these. So let's say I go over to this password. Then on it, if I press on this password field, I should be able to create a new password. And then you'll find the password generator here. You can refresh it from the middle to get new passwords. And under type, you should be able to click on this drop down, change it to pin code, memorable password, etc. And change the settings inside each of these. Increase or decrease the words and such, hyphens, separator. This is separator. Change it to underscores, commas, etc. Enable or disable capitalize full words and a lot more. Now, once you're ready, you can just press on this use button in order to use it. If you've got the 1Password extension installed on your Chrome web browser, then on the top right, under extension, you'll find 1Password extension. Just press on it, and then you're going to see this key icon that is the password generator. Press on it, and then you'll see this password generator over here. You should be able to see this randomly generated password. You can click on this type, drop down, and then select pin code, memorable password, or random password. Now you will find that if I go over to this website, I was only getting these three and not the smart password. So you can select the smart password from here. You just need to press on this middle refresh icon in order to get more of them. Now below this, you'll find password generation history. If you have generated these passwords for different websites and you have logged in there, then it's going to show up on this generation history page, and you should be able to reveal it and check them out. If you forgot it, you can copy it and delete it from here. Now, if you're on a website and you're filling the password, you can just press on this autofill in order to do it, or you can copy it from here and then paste it on that password field of that website. Now, if you're on a website, like I'm on lovable.dev, on the sign up page, under password, you can press on it, and then you'll see this use suggested password. You can press here to enter it, or you can also press on this control panel type icon, and you should be able to see the password generator here as well. You can just refresh a few times, and the one you like, just press on autofill. And on the top right, because I've got this extension, it's going to give me this save login pop-up, and I should be able to select a vault like this and save it to my vault. And yeah, that's it. That's how to find password generator in 1Password. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more 1Password related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.